We've got Christina. Christina, can we unmute you?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Christina.
Where is Christina? Yeah, hi, Christina.
Hi. So,
Christina, can we see you? Can you turn on your video?
okay, I'll do that, but I'm in still,
In your
bed.
pajamas? Don't worry about it.
By the face, huh? You don't know what I'm wearing down, right? I could be wearing just track pants.
Oh, there you go.
Sunday for me.
That's fine. That's fine. Tell us, Christina.
Okay, so I think my destiny number, my date of birth is April 6th. So is it going to be my destiny number or
6th of April.
6th of April, yes.
1982.
It comes to 3, I guess.
You have relationship issues in your life, Christina?
Can't say that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Married? Can't say that. That's a different thing. Okay. So, Christina, your destiny number is 5.
Okay.
Right? So, add your date of birth total is coming to 5. And 2021 is again 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So, it is 1. So, you have actually completed one 9-year cycle.
Okay.
So, this is the year of beginnings. New beginnings, new opportunities. You will find that suddenly people in authority will be good to you. If you have a boss or if you're with your father-in-law, mother-in-law, people in authority will come and give you a lot of gifts or opportunities. It can mark a new beginning in career if you are looking out for that. Maybe what you were doing. Yes, she said a yes. So let me understand a yes. What's a yes here?
I'm planning to, put up a startup. So I left my job around 2 years back. It had been a pathetic, thing. Which, for the last 4-5 years, there were a lot of things happening in my career. So I dropped the job, 2 years back. Then my mother-in-law had a cancer. She passed away last year. So 2020 was again a very bad year for me also, and me for my family too. Now I'm just trying to, settle down the things and trying to put up my startup only.
So number 1, if this is a year, automatically she will find herself gravitated towards starting something new.
And interestingly, my Rahu is ending this year.
Rahu Mahadasha in your astrological chart.
So it's ending in November.
So if Rahu is ending, then Guru will be starting. Jupiter will start.
Yes.
So definitely it will help you in the field of spirituality. Plus you will get a positive. But I don't know where your Guru is in your chart, so we can't focus there right now. But Rahu with Mangal last year could have given you a lot of problems. Now since one is there, Surya Rahu can also give problems. But with Guru, means Jupiter and Surya will give you good results from this year onwards.
All right.
So do you understand, Ruchida, along with, everybody, along with your numerology, but the major shift has happened, Christina, not because of the Guru. The major shift has happened because of this 221 and 2021 and your numbers. Okay. So that marks the new beginning. Jupiter will not mark a new beginning.
Right now,
it will not give you a beginning in the career.
Yes. Right now my Jupiter is in 5th house. So Jupiter and Saturn are sitting in the 5th house at present, the present Gochar.
Gochar, Makar mein hai. Capricorn.
Yeah. So it's right now in the 5th house.
Yeah. So there can be issues related to money, your children, and those kind of things. But what I'm trying to tell you is because you have the destiny number 1.
Okay.
You will be 5, and this is the coming to the number 1. Your personal year number for this is number 1. So this will give you all the benefits of number 1.
Okay.
So new startups, new career opportunities, new people in authority will come and talk to you. You can get a job opportunity also.
Okay.
Right? You can even, Surya is there. So you can do something, you can write a book or something, and you can get a lot of name and fame.
All right.
Right? All those things will help you.
Okay.
That's awesome.
I'm also writing about chakras. So, when you were talking about it, it just, blinked my, this thing.
Okay.
Back of my mind. So I have been reading a lot about that. I have been trying to, cleanse my energy also. So yes, Rahu has taught me a lot of things during this Mahadasha, and I had been actually practicing meditation since last 3-4 years now. I mean, I learned that. I mean, though I was
But as per your numbers, it is for me, it is the Saturn which has taught you a lot of issues.
okay.
Right now, in your Mahadasha, for according to your numbers, the pinnacle is Saturn.
Okay.
So after the age of 31,
Okay.
there were a lot of shifts happening in your life.
Yes, exactly. Too
So,
much of shift.
yes.
Till 2012, everything was smooth in my life. After that, when Saturn Mahadasha, Saturn Sadesati ended, there had been
This
changes.
is the numerology. This is
Yeah.
not about Sade Satis. This is numerology. And
Okay.
that is showing me a Saturn period,
Mm-hmm.
right? So Saturn period for 9 years, which will give you a lot of ups and downs because Saturn is the karma teacher. So it's coming to teach you how to have patience, how to realize who are your friends, who are your enemies. Those fake friends who tell their all the time they are friends will find their things. So
All right.
Saturn was the thing which was there. You have now reached 40 years. You're going to complete. Still Saturn
39,
is
yes.
going on. So you still need to wear a 7-mukhi Rudraksh because the Saturn effect is still there. After that will come up your Mahadasha of 1 plus 8, 9, Mangal. Now, Mangal you don't have, it's a negative Mangal you are having in your numbers. So you need to also wear a 14 Mukhi Rudraksh. All this will be taught to you, so you don't need to worry.
Okay.
It's very easy. If I can learn, anybody can learn.
All right.
Doc, you can learn a lot of things. So don't say that. You're
The
quite.
problem is not that people don't learn. The problem is people don't implement. They forget.
That's true. That's true. They don't practice.
They don't practice. The problem is not about learning. It's
Yeah.
very easy. You have to practice.
Yeah, my music teacher says the exact same thing. If you don't
Right.
practice, you're not going to learn.
Right.
That's true. Thank you so much, Christina. So,
So
Doc,
much.
I want
Thanks.
to ask you quickly for Christina. Christina seems to have a fairly deep knowledge of astrology. Knowing this aspect, knowing the astro numero aspect with Rudraksh would automatically, boost her, boost how she applies her astrology as well, right?
I didn't. Achha, you're asking me.
Yeah,
You're
yeah, yeah.
asking Christina.
No, 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 I was
Okay.
asking-
Okay. So, Christina, you have a good knowledge of astrology. Good. Okay. Now, it is something is very different. The people now for astrology knowledge, it takes a lot of time. But even from your simple numerology, I could tell you a lot of things in maybe what 5 minutes.
Yeah, true.
Now, now and plus, I started giving you remedies also.
Mm-hmm.
Now, that is not going to be there in a astrology. So astrology is much more deeper. But people are not looking for such. They're looking for it. But let me tell you, to get that knowledge of astrology takes about 15-20 years. So this is a simple, quick fix and giving you the same.
I don't know if Doc has frozen for everybody.